It's giving easy breezy, beautiful V-part wig, low maintenance, and super pretty. If you want to get into the style, keep watching. What's up, guys? So today I'm doing a deep wave V-part from Unice hair, and I'm gonna start by straightening out the front of my hair. I just got a fresh Texlax, so it's pretty easy. I like to keep my hot comb on low though, so I don't want to burn my hair or nothing. And then I went ahead and I parted the hair out for the V-part just like this. I like to go pretty far back. I'm pretty used to doing this at this point, so it just comes naturally to me. But I do want to note, you can see my parting here. I don't like to do a sharp triangle. I like to do it a little bit more of an oval back there because I feel like it helps to cover the back better than when I do a triangle. And then with the front, I just like to leave a little bit of hair out. I like to leave the side out because I tuck my hair behind my ear. But with the front, I just want a little bit out, but that's the only part of the side I leave out for that side. So I like to make sure the hair is brushed back. I don't do braids. You can do braids, but I personally don't do them. But I do like to make sure that my hair is laying nice and flat. And I just put it in a ponytail. Check that out, y'all. Y'all remember last year I had barely had a ponytail, if any at all. And now I got a little ponytail working back there. So this is the wig. It is a deep wave V-part wig, like I mentioned, and it is so pretty. I love a good deep wave, like fresh out the box. I think the curls from that are so pretty. And this is the cap construction. It's got the two combs on the side, the combs around the parting area. It does have an elastic band in it. And it also has the adjustable straps in the comb in the back and everything as usual. So putting my V-part on, you just want to snap the combs on the sides pretty much. And I like to wiggle mine around and get a feel for it and see like, okay, is this a good fit right here? Or should I move it around? Because you don't want it to hurt your head. If it's tugging at your hair, your scalp or anything, you need to like rearrange. Don't leave it there hurting your head. I love how V-parts are evolving. Do you see how flat that's laying without any hair even covering it? So I'm here for that. I'm still not a fan of doing no leave out, but I think if you like it that way, this is a good one as well because it does lay nice and flat. So because I'm pretty much used to doing a kinky texture with these V-part wigs for the most part, I wanted to make sure this matched up. And I noticed this texture really does match up to my kinky straightish Texlax hair really well. So I was really happy about that. That means it was going to be real easy to blend. I don't be caring too much about the straightness of my part for the V part, but that part on my head that you going to see, got to make sure that's looking straight. So I am going to take my flat iron. I mean, not flat iron. It's a hot comb. But I do, again, have it on low because I knew I was going to be using it a lot. So I didn't want to burn my hair, as I mentioned. But I'm using that to help me blend the wig and my leave out together. And also to kind of brush my front out where it's got to blend with my hair because my hair is straight. So it's not going to match the curliness, which is why I like to brush these styles of Unice out because it'll make it blend. And, you know, just the bigger hair is a little less defined, so it's not like straight hair, then super curly hair. It's a very full density on this wig, so if you like fuller wigs, this is a very nice one for you. And this is just so pretty and so low maintenance, like to put on and install. This didn't take me long at all. Like this total video before I edited was about 15 minutes. That's how long it took me to do this style. It's giving me like a nice little 70s kind of vibe. I like it a lot. It's the concentration on the part for me. I'm so here for how easy this is coming together, you guys. So I'm just doing a little bit of touching up on it, but it was very easy to install. We're not done yet, but you can clearly see it's very easy to install. I'm kind of maneuvering the hair, making sure it's looking how I want it to. Look at that blend, y'all. Look at the blend. It is coming together. The brush makes a difference though. Like I said, brush the hair out when you're using curly hair like this so that way your hair can blend a lot easier. I pulled out my handy dandy wax stick, and that is so I can weigh the hair down and make sure it stays blended with the V-part wig. I like this wax stick a lot because it smells so good. And I don't just apply the wax and go about my business. I do like to comb it into the hair because, again, the point is to help it blend through. I didn't really care for how that little piece by my ear was blending, or really not blending fully the way I wanted it to. So I decided to tuck it behind my ear, which I probably was going to do anyway. But look at that. It's just flawless, you guys. This unit is so pretty, so full, so bouncy. Oh my God, it is so pretty, you guys. Like, I highly recommend trying this out. If you like this look, description box, you already know, has all the details. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.